Hey, this is Frank. This is a 2011 Hyundai Tucson, in some markets known as an iX35. In a previous video, I showed you how to replace the power distribution module under the dash to deal with a major electrical malfunction affecting the doors and the windows. So now things are mostly working except for one remaining malfunction that affects the rear driver door and the tailgate. This issue was a little bit difficult to pin down at first, but I think I've got a handle on it and how to work around it. I'm going to use the fob to lock the car. There is no confirmation beep. All the doors, including the tailgate, are locked except for the rear driver door. So let me lock it using the button. Now when I use the fob, I get a confirmation beep. Now let me go try to unlock it using the fob. Press it twice. At this point, driver door is unlocked. Rear driver remains locked. Tailgate is locked. Rear passenger is unlocked. Passenger is unlocked. So I am going to reach in through the driver door and use the button on the door to unlock this rear driver door. Now I can use the fob and this tailgate opens. So right there, I've given you a workaround for what to do if you have this same problem, where the rear driver door and the tailgate are not working together. To open the tailgate using the fob, you have to first manually unlock the rear driver door, and that allows you to open the tailgate using the fob. So this is a workaround, is not a fix. It's a convenient workaround because it avoids having to crawl in through the back and use the emergency release of the tailgate. Let me show you how that works. The emergency release of the tailgate is right under this little plastic cover in the back, and you can reach in through here and just push this lever, and this unlocks the tailgate. And you do this with the tailgate closed, obviously, so you have to crawl in through the trunk. There's another view of where this little hatch is located. It has a little picture of the car on it, and this is convenient in case the electrical system stops working for some reason. So this is a workaround that consists of manually unlocking the rear driver door, which is easy to do, and that allows you then to use the fob to unlock the tailgate. So this is just a workaround, it's not a permanent fix. For a fix, I'm going to try to replace the rear driver door actuator and hope that it resolves the problem. I'll let you know how this goes in a future video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.